in the latest development within the Waqf Amendment Bill story, Ajmer Dargah Chief Haji Said Salman Chishti has published an article favouring the Waqf Amendment Bill. He has said, and I quote, "By embracing reform and demanding accountability, we can ensure that the Waqf serves its intended purpose of benefiting the Muslim community and contributing to the broader society." Earlier, Kerala Catholic Bishops' Council has asked MPs from the state to vote in favour of the Waqf Amendment Bill, which has faced opposition from both the Congress and the left. The BJP, which has been trying to get closer to the Christian community in Kerala, hailed the KCBC's stance. The KCBC is a powerful organisation of Catholic bishops in Kerala belonging to Syro-Malabar Latin and Syro-Malankaran churches. KCBC president, in a statement issued on Saturday, demanded that when the bill is taken for debate in Parliament, the people's representatives from Kerala should vote in favour of amending the sections which are unfair and anti-constitutional. Meanwhile, union ministers including Nirmala Sitharaman and Kiran Rijiju have lauded bishops' body for their support, a welcome step by the Kerala Catholic Bishops' Council. Their call is for amending the sections which are unfair and anti-constitutional in the existing Waqf Act. Kerala Catholic Bishops put weight behind Centre's amendment bill, behind Centre's Waqf Amendment Bill. Beg your pardon. We have a couple of reactions coming in. Let's quickly take a listen.
मेरा मानना ही है कि वक्फ का मेरा मानना ही है कि वक्फ में अमेंडमेंट की जरूरत है। देखिए, वक्फ का मतलब ये कतई ये नहीं है कि लोग ये कह रहे हैं कि मस्जिदें छीन जाएंगी, खानकाएं छीन जाएंगी, कब्रिस्तान छीन जाएंगी। ये कहना गलत है। हो सकता है कुछ सेक्शन से उनको प्रॉब्लम हो, ये ऐसे मत हो। ये डेमोक्रेसी का पार्ट है और सरकार को कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं है। सरकार ने बहुत तसल्ली से इस बिल को लाई थी। सरकार ने बाकायदा जेपीसी में ये बिल दिया। जेपीसी ने बहुत पेशेंटली सबको सुना है और उसके बाद में अब ये बिल पेश करने जाएंगे। मुझे पूरा यकीन है कि ये बिल आने के बाद में वक्फ के मैटर में ट्रांसपेरेंसी आएगी और उसकी प्रॉपर्टी को प्रोटेक्ट होंगी और जो किराया इंक्रोचमेंट जो कम से कम है, ज्यादा हो चुका है वक्फ के अंदर, वो इंक्रोचमेंट हटेगा और वक्फ का किराया बढ़ेगा जो कौम के लिए काम आएगा।
The issue is that the Kerala Catholic Bishops' Council and many other Christian organizations are asking the MPs from Kerala to take a stand on the Waqf Amendment Bill and vote in favor of it, because in Kerala, in a place called Munambam near Cochin, hundreds of families, poor families, are having the threat of their land being seized by the Waqf hang on their heads. And this is an issue for which they have been agitating for months and years. And it is time that the MPs of Kerala did what is their duty to do, which is to help people who are in trouble, help people and solve their problems rather than only play appeasement politics. So I think today is an important day because Congress MPs, after this appeal from the Kerala Christian community, must take a position. They must decide whether they are going to actually help people in Kerala or they are going to play the same appeasement politics and petty politics and vote against the Waqf Amendment Bill. So I hope they will do what is right, what is their duty by the people of Munambam, that they will support the people of Munambam, support the call being made by the Christian community in Kerala, and support the Waqf Amendment Bill. The Waqf Amendment Bill, as we know, is not against any community. It is about aligning a law to the constitutional values of India and making sure every Indian, regardless of which community, the Christian community, the Buddhist community, the Sikh community, also have the right to property.
BJP are the best actors, members are the best actors in the world. On the one side, they go and attend the iftar feast. The other side, they bring in Waqf Amendment Bill. What a funny people they are. This country, what the Constitution says, Article 25 specifically says, and it comes under the fundamental rights of the citizens. The government has no role to play in the citizens' rights. What Article 25 says is freedom of conscience, freedom of religion. Anybody can follow, practice and preach any religion. They cannot interfere with that article. That is a part of fundamental right of the Constitution.